15 minutes past the hour, this is CNBC's Worldwide Exchange.
And Worldwide Exchange is CNBC's first truly global show. The one and only program you can see simultaneously on every CNBC property in the world. That means our stock-picking segments are global, too. Joining us now is Nigel Green, Director of Helvetia Wealth in Zurich. Helvetia Wealth in Zurich. Nigel, good to see you. Thanks so much for joining us. Your pick here in North America? Occidental. Why?
That's right, yeah. Well, I mean, they're a world leader in oil and natural gas exploration. They've got core oil and gas operations in the US, Middle East and North Africa region, and Latin America. In the US, Oxy is the largest oil producer in California. In the Middle East, they've got assets in Oman, Qatar, Yemen, and they're also a partner in the Transborder Dolphin project that will supply natural gas from Qatar to markets in the United Arab Emirates. Their Latin American operations include assets in Colombia, Argentina and Bolivia. They're trading at $66. Deutsche Bank and Merrill Lynch have got recommendations on them at 71 and 72. We're a little bit more bullish at around 79. It's got growth sustainable at around 15 to... and they're a very, very well-managed company. They're in a sector that we like very much, and for us, this one's, I suppose, a bit of a no-brainer, really.
And Nigel, it's also, you want to get into energy in Europe, and in terms of E.ON, why? Well,
E.ON have got a current market cap of around 90 million euros. They're trading at around 13.5 times earnings at the moment, with around 18% growth. Current price, €127. Credit Suisse have an outperform on them at around 146. BNP Paribas are at 147. Our price target is 150. We think for us the key was the chart breakout at around the 120 level. It's a conservative play. E.ON will enter into one of the world's more attractive power markets, the fourth largest. That's Russia. They have acquired a stake in OGK4, I think it's a 61% stake for around 2.8 billion euro. It's going to give them some good exposure. There's also a share buyback of around 7 billion until 2010. Compared to peers, they're still fairly cheap. They're trading at a discount at the moment, so that's one that we like. It's conservative, but we see that going a little bit further, yeah.
Nigel, hi. Christine here. You also like energy in China, in particular a company called China Power Asia. Why?
Well, China Power, they've got sustainable growth above 20%. They're trading at 420. Citigroup have a strong buy on them at around 475. They're extremely well positioned as a big infrastructure play there in China. It doesn't hinder the company that the CEO is the daughter of the former premier. But aside from that, they've underperformed against peers. But with 17 times earnings and around 20% growth, we don't see that as looking too bad either.
Nigel, so nice to have you. Thanks so much for joining us this morning. Nigel Green, Director, Helvetia Wealth in Zurich.
Okay.
Well, coming up next, do you remember the Mexican tortilla riot and Italian pasta protests? Well, our next guest will tell us how to profit from food price inflation in ways you might not have thought of. Stay tuned, and of course, you have any insights, any views, do email us. The address worldwide@cnbc.com.
You know, if everyone had a computer like this, connected to other computers, then people would be able to trade stocks all around the world without us.
Internax, the smarter way to trade today. A joint venture between TD Waterhouse and Fortis. Something